cute chicks. And then there's the mommy. She's just getting back now. She just flew off with one of the eggs, like the broken shells, but maybe she'll grab the second one and fly off, hopefully. But we might have to wait a minute. Guys, we need to, like, maybe we can give her some privacy and then she'll leave again.
Hi, Zach. Zach, hi. Okay, will do.
So, I'm getting my siblings to move, so the bird will try to move again. That would be like I work with the Nature Discovery Channel. There is a bird in her natural habitat. She's still staring at us. She looks fake, but she'll be fine.
It was a bird in its natural habitat.
Don't scare her off.
Yes, scare her.
She's still giving us a clear angle of the chicks. Look how cute they are. And then
Here we see some mourning doves in its natural habitat.
Hold it. Mom's calling me. Bye, Jay.
Oh, she got the text message.
Look how cute they are.
Yeah. Here we see two baby mourning doves in its natural in their natural habitats. Does Mom want me to? Okay. I'll leave it to our sponsors. So we are just...
these PG pants on. Sorry, I'm addicted to my PG pants. So soft. Look how cute they are. Oh, they're asleep. How cute. Oh, it's so cute. I wish I had a video of them being hatched, but I don't. Wait, we were cleaning and I saw them hatched. I might leave this on for another hour so you guys can see how adorable they are. So cute! We haven't decided on names for them yet, but if anybody has any suggestions, please tell me. So on Friday, we were at one of my friend's house, well, my mom's friend's house, and a hawk picked up one of the baby chicks. Like, it wasn't this, it was a different bird. And it was a blue jay baby, and so the hawk picked up the bird, all the feathers fell, and the mother and father blue jay just kept swarming down at the hawk, but the baby bird still died. And then the mama bird is still looking at me. Back off, you creep! She's still staring at me. Oh, look how cute they are, sweet little angels. I think the bird's moms are only that I'm filming them. But. They're asleep. Oh, so cute. Let me see if Zachosaurus Rex will come back up here. So, this won't post till later this afternoon.
All announcers back from the dead. What?
It's still filming.
I said, all announcers back from the dead.
Here we go.
No, you were hanging this up. Nope.
That's your stuff.
Here we see some mourning doves in their natural habitats. The natural home window.
I told them about the baby chick that died on Friday.
There was a baby chick. It died this Friday.
I told them.
It was a baby blue jay. It was killed by a hawk. There was feathers everywhere.
And blood everywhere.
You didn't see any blood.
And two disappointed parents.
You weren't even there, Zoe.
I bet there was blood everywhere.
No.
Oh, crap. Now the mother bird has just left. We can have it.
The mother bird has just left.
Move your iPad. And the hawk shouldn't dare to come after these cute chicky chicks because we're watching them. We're their babysitters somewhat. They live on my
We are
windowsill.
the babysitters somewhat.
And we're their Well, we're their somewhat babysitters because they live on my windowsill.
Can you move your iPad, please?
No, that's my filming angle.
Just scoot it over a little bit. So I
Let
can
me
see
see some natural mourning dogs in their natural habitat.
And then rest. Great.
Okay, you can't see it, JJ.
Yeah, my iPad was focusing.
Go see what Mom wants.
Yeah.
There we go. It's focused again.
Sorry about that technical difficulty. My sister shoved my